Hello, Philippines!
Hi!
Hello, Philippines! Hi, Philippines!
Sama kayo.
Hi! Hello, Philippines! We're imported in my room! Where do you come from?
Philippines.
Where the country of your side?
Scotland.
Scotland! He's from Scotland!
United Kingdom.
United Kingdom! His father is white and his mother is black! Yeah, the father is royal blood. The mother is black blood. Right there. No, Michael. No, video. It's video. See my classmate?
The mother is
There's a president of the Philippines. You know, president
royal blood.
Royal blood.
Mother is Pepsi.
Black blood guy.
Pepsi nga.
Royal nga eh.
Pepsi. Pepsi.
You see my classmate? The Philippines, the president of the Philippines. And the teacher is there, the red on the black.
The red and the black.
No, the red in the pig.
The red and the black.
Yeah, pig. And this is the classmate. You see the classmate? Yeah, look, classmate. Tomorrow is our graduation. Yeah, graduation ball. The graduation ball? Yeah. Your mother is a graduate. And we have the cum laude. The cum laude is president. He award, what your award? Tomorrow? Most outstanding student. She gave a gold platinum award. Tomorrow. Huh? Kasi, hi to the Philippines. I came, papadala ko to sa Qatar. Nahirapan ako eh. Hello! Bye-bye, Philippines! Okay, bye-bye, Philippines! Baba? Ayan. Bakit? Hindi ako nakita? Ayun. Ayun. Kaya, bibidyo ko lang ng ano. From Scotland!
Ano yun ilang oras?
What? You're from Scotland? Maga. Kailangan, sweldo ko na. From Scotland? From? Nolan. Nolan. Scotland, Nolan. Oh, my teacher is Sermon. Si Sermon. And the cook is here. Cook, kalbo cook. Hoy, bantay mo yan. Ito na, mga niluto. Asan na yung luto? Ayan, luto na. Yung sinaing. Ito na, yung manok. Asan yung manok? Ha? Hi, girls! We're boys! Girls, we're boys!
Hi, girl, na ako na blue.
Hi, gay! Hey, gay! We're boys! So, it's from the local. Well, what's your name? Charlotte, she's from the Philippines, local. And it's imported from Scotland. Where do you come from? Where do you come from? What province? Huh? Ask me. What? I interview. Tell me ba? Tell me. Hey, where do you come from? Tell me. USA. Wow. Hey, you, where do you come from? McLaren. Where's McLaren in Ebrod? You, where do you come from?
Elliot.
Samar Island.
Samar Island.
Summer Island.
Hey, it's Bisaya. Hey, you press, where do you come from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria. You know the Nigeria black? You know black?
I'm from UK.
UK. What's UK? UK. Oh, okay.
Ako na magbibidyo.
No.
Ako na magbibidyo.
No, where do you come from? Musira. Tara, ulo mo. He's, abnormal?
Yeah.
He abnormal.
Yeah.
Aray ko. Sinto. Ayo, ubus na. Hoy, maubos yan. Tikim na, oh. Dami nga.
Marami, di ba?
Dami. Hoy, painom, penge, onte. Sa si may pilay. Boy, pengen ako boy. Inom ako, juice. Tama na.
Inom ka ba ng
Uy,
Diyos?
patay mo na.
Bakit ka gago? Hindi mo nakuhaan yung ulo mo.
Okay lang.
Hindi mo nakuhaan yung ulo
Hindi
mo.
na. Magulo ka. Ayan, magulo yan, oh. Nag-graduate yan. Lupit.
Nag-graduate kami kasi hindi kami napasok.
Takang tumakalupit. Hayop kayo. Kuweng ko, wala. Sayang. Ito po, pansit. Ito po, kanin. Ito po, manok. Wala na, yun lang.
Walang po.
Okay, bye-bye. What's it here? Average of 3.